This video is initiated by Seth Vidya Mandir English High School, Pre-Primary Section, Maharashtra Board. Myself, Mrs. Poonam Chowdhary. This video is for Senior KG students. Subject English, topic sounds. So children, today in this video we'll learn two sounds. Sounds of GR and sound of ST. So let us learn some few words and sentences. So first we'll learn the sound of GR, gr sound. So let us learn some few words with GR sound. First is green, GREEN, green. The second is grade, GREAT, grade, gr sound. GRAMS, grams, gr sound. GRASSHOPPER, grasshopper. GROWS, grows, gr sound. Next is GROUND, ground, gr sound. GRASS, grass, gr sound. GRAPES, grapes. The next is gravel, GRAVEL, gravel. Now this is the first sentence with gr sound. What is the sentence, children? We should eat green grams. So green and grams has gr sound. Green and grams. We should eat green grams. Next is the grasshopper hops on the ground. So which is the gr sound in this? Yes, grasshopper and ground. GRASSHOPPER, grasshopper, and GROUND. The next is the goat ate some grass. So which is the gr sound? Grass, GRASS, grass. The goat ate some grass. Next is grapes are sour. The gr sound is grapes, GRAPES, grapes. Grapes are sour. Next is the man is collecting gravels. So what is the gr sound? Gravels. The man is collecting gravels, GRAVELS. So we have seen the GR sound, the gr sound. Now let us learn about the sound ST. So let us learn some few words. So our first word is statue, STATUE, statue. Second is standing, STANDING, standing. Stage, STAGE, stage. This is ST sound. STRANGER, stranger. Student, STUDENT, student. Stared, STARED, stared. Stag, STAG, stag. Stow, STOVE, stow, STOVE, stow. Starfish, STARFISH, fish. So our first sentence with ST sound is the tiger statue was placed on the stage. So which is the ST sound? STATU, statue, STAGE, stage. The tiger statue was placed on the stage. The students were standing in a queue. So which is the ST sound here, children? Students and standing, STUDENTS, students, and STANDING, standing. The students were standing in a queue. The stranger stared at me. The ST sound is stranger and stared, STRANGER, stranger. STARED, stared. The stranger stared at me. The next is the stag has antlers. So which is the ST sound? Stag. Yes, STAG, stag. The stag has antlers. The next is mother cooks on a stove. ST sound is stove, STOVE, stove. Mother cooks on a stove. The starfish lives in the ocean. The ST sound is starfish. The starfish lives in the ocean. STAR, STAR, FISH, fish, starfish. Hope you all understood the sound of GR and ST. Keep learning. Thank you, children. Take care. Bye bye. See you.